ellipse. So in the last class we are discussing about ellipse, isn't it? Okay, there are two standard forms of ellipse. Can you give the two standard forms, Chomlin? Standard forms of ellipse. What are the two standard forms of ellipse? Chomlin, can you hear me, Chomlin? Standard forms of ellipse. Rijas. Krishna Chandran is present here? No. Absent. Krishna Chandran. Shivani. Emmanuel. Can you give the standard form of ellipse? Emmanuel. Huh? No. Open the notebook, go through it, find out. Last class, are you present or absent?
Absent, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, I was in my mother's house. I want to hear the record.
Okay. Femina, can you give the standard form of ellipse?
Ma'am, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. X square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1.
Okay, the first form is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. And the second form is x square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. Very good, Femina. Okay, so here, whenever we write the standard equation, we have to mention the condition that which one is greater. We always take A is greater than B. A is always greater than B. X square by A square plus Y square by B square is equal to 1 with A greater than B. So the major axis is along x square by A square plus Y square by B square is equal to 1. So the major axis is along x-axis. Major axis is along x-axis. Minor axis is along y-axis, isn't it? For parabola, there are 4 standard forms we learned. For an ellipse, what else we have learned? Let's check it. Okay. So we'll be getting 2 fixed points. The 2 fixed points we call it as focus. Ellipse is the collection of points such that the distances from the point, some of the distances from the fixed points are always equal, isn't it? There are 2 fixed points, F1 and F2. Okay, the fixed point is called the focus and the fixed line is called the directrix. Okay, and the 2 standard forms are x squared by a square plus y squared by b square is equal to 1. And the second form is x squared by b square plus y squared by a square is equal to 1. So now look at the figure, first one. In the first one, okay. So in the first one, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. The major axis is along the x-axis. X-axis is the major axis and minor axis is y-axis. The point where it cuts the x-axis, the major axis, we call it as vertices. So vertices are given by 8, 0 and minus 8, 0. And focus is given by C, 0, isn't it? And C is equal to AE. What is E? What is E? What else you have learned about E? E is
C by A.
Yeah, E is equal to, yes, it is C by A. E is called, E is called, what is the name given for E?
Eccentricity.
Eccentricity. E is the eccentricity. E is given by the ratio. It is the ratio C by A, eccentricity E. So the focus is given by plus or minus AE comma 0. The second case, second case, equation of the ellipse is x square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. Here the major one, bigger value comes under y-axis. Therefore, y-axis is the major axis and x-axis is the minor axis. Okay, so now draw this table, children. From this one, okay, these are the two forms. Listen to it. Afterwards, you can write. Listen. In both the cases, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Here also a greater than b. In the second form also we take a greater than b. Now listen. In the first one, okay, so draw the figure. For the first one, you will be getting the figure like this. So the major axis is x-axis. What is the equation of x-axis? Y is 0. So we are writing y is 0. Again for the second one, major axis is y-axis. And for y-axis, it is x is 0. Then length of the major axis. What is the length of the major axis? So this one is a comma 0 and this is negative a comma 0. So the length of the major axis is 2a. In both the cases, it is 2a. Now look at the second one, equation of minor axis. If x-axis is the major axis, y-axis will be the minor axis. And what is the equation of y-axis? X is equal to 0. And length of the minor axis is 2b. Okay, here also, in the next case, if the major axis is y-axis, minor axis will be x-axis. X-axis means we can write this as y equal to 0. And length of the minor axis is 2b. Then directrix. Okay, in this case you will get two directrix. Okay, one on this side and one on the other side. So you are getting x is equal to plus or minus a by e. X is equal to plus or minus a by e. In the second case it is y is equal to plus or minus a by e. Next is latus rectum. What is latus rectum? It is the line drawn perpendicular to the axis and passing through the focus. Passing through the focus. That's what we call it as latus rectum. Okay, equation of latus rectum. That's one. Okay, that one is not needed, but just note down it. X is equal to plus or minus AE. Y is equal to plus or minus A. But the next two we want. Length of the latus rectum is 2b squared by A. In both the cases, it is 2b squared by A. And the center is where both the minor axis and major axis meets. Major axis and minor axis will meet at 0, 0. The center is 0, 0. So this much formula we have to learn. If you are thorough with the table, we can start doing the problems. Which is the major axis, which is the minor axis, these two things you have to learn. So I think children, one more point you have to write, focus. Focus is here plus or minus c comma 0, here it is 0 comma plus or minus. One second children, C, what is C? What is C? C is root of, what is the formula I gave that day? What is C?
A square minus b square.
C is equal to a square minus b square. Note down all the formulas. Once you are thorough with this table, you can start doing the problem. Is it okay? Is it okay, Punya?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it over, Achut? You copied? Yes?
I
Stay.
took screenshot, ma'am.
You should write down in your notebook. Okay. Annette?
Yes, ma'am.
Finished. Shall we start
Yes.
the problem, children? Shall we do? Karthik?
Ma'am, some more, ma'am.
Actually, we will not be using this equation of lattice rectum. Earlier, we had more things about ellipse, about parabola and all. Now, we are just learning what is focus, what is ellipse. Okay, only the simple things we are learning. Earlier, this chapter, conic section was a big chapter. We will be learning equation of tangent, equation of normal, all these things. You know what is tangent, normal and all. Okay, now it is deleted and only this small part we are learning. What is the focus? Once the equation is given, we have to identify what is the major axis, what is the length of minor axis and all. Okay, I think we can start. Okay, write the question. Find the coordinates of the foci, or we can say foci, plural form of focus. Okay, find the coordinates of the foci. The vertices, length of major axis. Okay, length of major axis, length of minor axis, length of major axis, length of minor axis.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you tell what is after vertices?
Find the coordinates of foci. Then let's just length of major axis. First one is foci. Second is vertices. Length of the major axis. Length of the minor axis. Length of minor axis. Eccentricity. Eccentricity and length of latus rectum. Eccentricity and length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum of the following ellipse. Length of latus rectum of the following ellipse. Of the following ellipse. Okay, under that first one, First one. Okay, so this much things we have to find. Okay, you can start. Under that, first problem is, the first one is x square by 36 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1. X square by 36 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1. Listen children. Once the equation of the ellipse is given, how will you identify this equation of the ellipse? Look at the power of x square and y square. Okay, x square is there, y square is there. In parabola, we have only x square or y square. We will not get square for both the x and y. Here we have both x square and y square is there. Okay, now we want to compare it. We have to compare it with the standard forms and we have to check which is the major axis. Once we get the major axis, once we get the standard form, the remaining things we can find out easily. So what is the standard form? When you compare this, what is the standard form here? Okay, so what is the form here? Okay, this is of the form. Which one is bigger one? Is it x-axis?
A.
So A is always bigger. Now check it. Which is it x-axis or y-axis?
X.
X. So it is of the form x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Therefore, the major axis is x-axis, isn't it? Once you get the standard form, we can write. Okay, the denominator below the x is bigger. So the major axis is x-axis. So you compare it with this form and we can write down. So a square is 36, b square is equal to 16. Compare it with the standard form. From here we can write what is a square, what is b square. Now find out what is c square. What is c square? It is a square minus b square. Is it correct? That is 36 minus 16. So that is 20. So what is c? C is root 20. C is root 20. So once we find all those things, we can start answering to the question. So what is the first thing asked? So look at the first one, focus, foci. So in foci, what is the foci here in the first case? Focus is given by plus or minus c comma 0. Is it correct? Focus is given by plus or minus c comma 0. So the focus is plus or minus root 20 comma 0. Is it correct? Is it okay, children? Is it okay, Nandana?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Vertices. So vertices means, okay, it is the point where the major axis meets the x-axis. So the figure is taking like this, isn't it? X-axis is the major axis. So this is the point where the ellipse meets the x-axis. That one will be the vertices. So it is given by plus or minus a comma 0. One side it is a comma 0. The other side it is negative a comma 0. It is symmetric. Above the x-axis what you have, the same thing only you have below the x-axis. Similarly, to the left of y what you have, the same thing only to the right. It is symmetric with respect to both x-axis and y-axis. So the vertices are given by plus or minus a comma 0. Here, what is a? A square is 36. So what is a? It is 6, isn't it? So it is plus or minus 6 comma 0. Is it okay, Atul?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is we have to find out the length of major axis. What about the length of major axis? What is the length of major axis? It is 2a, isn't it? What is the value of a? A square is 36, so a is 12. So length of major axis is 12. Length of minor axis is 2b. B square is 16. From there b is 4. So length of minor axis is 8. What about eccentricity? Eccentricity E is given by C by A. What is C? Root 20 by 6. A square is 36. Therefore, what is A? A is 6. And what about the length of lattice rectum? Length of lattice rectum is 2b square by A. So 2 into what is b square? B square is 16 by A by 6. Simplify this. It is 16 by 3. So length of lattice rectum is 16 by 3. Is it okay, children? Is it okay? Once we identify the standard form, the remaining things we can fill it easily. Focus is given by plus or minus e comma 0. Vertices are given by plus or minus a comma 0. Length of the major axis is 2a. Length of minor axis is 2b. Eccentricity E is equal to c by a. And length of lattice rectum is 2b square by a. Okay? Is it okay? Suppose you are given a standard form. Can you give this? Can you find out what is the focus? Can you find out what is the vertex? Is it okay? Vertex, eccentricity, length of lattice rectum. So now I will give the second form. Write down the second one. Write the next question. 36x square plus 4y square is equal to 144. 36x square plus 4y square is equal to 144. So how will you do this? What is the standard form we need here? So here what is the first step? Children, you can answer it. Tell me what is the first step?
Divide everything by 144.
Okay, good. Why we are dividing by 144?
We should get equal to 1.
Very good. We should get equal to 1. So divide by 144. So 36x square by 144 plus 4y square by 144 is equal to 144 by 144, which is 1. So 36 and 144, if you cancel it, you will get x square by how many times it will go? 36 and 144. If you cancel this, this is 18. This is 72. Again, if you cancel this, this is 9. This is 36, isn't it? So, this is 4. So, this is x square by 4. Is it correct? Plus y square by what you will get? X square by 4. X square by 4 plus y square by, on simplifying what you will get? Aditya Satyan. Y square by yes, say it louder.
36.
36 is equal to 1. X square by 4 plus y square by 36 is equal to 1. So look at this equation and tell me which is the major axis. Y axis, isn't it? So the standard form is x square by b square plus y square by a square is 1. Always the bigger one we take it as a square. So b square is equal to 4. A square is equal to 36. From here you can write down what is b. b is 2 and a is 6. Then find out what is c square. What is c square? C square is root of a square minus b square. So root of 36 minus 4, which is root 32. Sorry, it is 32. C is 32. Therefore, C square is 32. Therefore, what is C? Therefore, C is root 32. If you want, we can write this as 4 root 2.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, actually, is it C equal to root a square minus b square?
C is root of a square minus b square.
Okay.
Okay, C square means that root will get cancelled, isn't it? C square means no root there.
Ma'am, but it is written C equal to, okay, ma'am.
Now is it okay? After
Yes, ma'am.
find C, what are the things needed? Start finding. What is the first one asked? First one is coordinates of the foci. For C, it is. So which is the major axis here? Y-axis, isn't it? Y-axis is the major axis. So on y-axis, x coordinate will be 0. So the focus is given by 0, plus or minus C. 0, plus or minus C. Once you find out A and B, find C. Let's start answering to the questions. Focus is 0, plus or minus C. So 0, plus or minus 4 root 2 is the focus. And what is the second one asked? Vertices. What are the vertices? What about the vertices? Vertices are given by, where is the vertex lying, children? In this second case, the figure will be coming like this, isn't it? So which one is the vertex? Where the vertex will lie?
Y.
Y. Okay, vertex means the point where the major axis cuts the ellipse. So here the major axis is y-axis. So vertex will lie on y-axis. So the vertices are given by 0, plus or minus A. So it is 0, plus or minus 6. Vertices are 0, plus or minus 6. Next is length of major axis. What about the length of major axis? What is the length of major axis? Length of major axis is always 2a. Length of major axis is 2a. So it is
12.
12. 6. 2 into 6, which is 12. Next, fourth one. Length of minor axis. Length of minor axis is 2b. Children, suppose they ask semi-major, semi-minor means half of it. Okay, then in that case, you will take it as A and B. We are taking the full major axis means it is 2A. If it is semi-major axis or semi-minor axis, semi means half of it. So you take only A or B. Here, length of minor axis, which is 2B. So which is same as 2 into B is 2. So it is 4. Then the next one is eccentricity. Eccentricity E is equal to C by A. Eccentricity E is equal to C by A. So once we apply this, what you will get? E is equal to C. C is 4 root 2 by A. A is 6.
2 root 2 by 3.
Root 2 by 3. That is 2 root 2 by 3. Next is length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum is 2b square by A. Length of latus rectum is 2b square by A. What is the answer, Gauri?
4 by 3.
4 by 3. So 2 into b square is 2, 4. So 4 into 4 by a. A is 6. Okay, so it is 4 by 3. Is it okay, children? Once the equation is given, is it okay? Will you be able to find out what is the ellipse? What is the focus of the ellipse? What is the vertices? Is it clear, Nandana? Hmm? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Write the next one and tell me the answers. Write down. 9x square plus 4y square is equal to 36. 9x square plus 4y square is equal to 36. Do it by yourself and give me the answers. So in the next class, tomorrow's class, learn all the formula and be ready. Okay.
Ma'am, question once more.
Question is 9x square plus 4y square is equal to 36. 9x square plus 4y square is equal to 36. So what is the equation you are getting? What is the standard form? Okay, do one thing, solve this and get ready before the next class. One more period we have, isn't it today? Last period. Huh? Is that no? So before that, get ready. Okay, children. End the session now. Thank you.